You know, they passed the federal income tax law to help finance the war. It was to be ended shortly thereafter. We're still paying it today. They passed the Patriot Act, and with it came the FISA court, which would enable them to surveil any citizen with a court order. It has been dramatically misused against the citizens of this country. That's fact. What you're seeing there now is heat recognition in the name of security for this virus. But remember, it will only be used during the virus and only for our security and protection. And I'm sure that we'll be told that as soon as this is all over, they'll put this up and never use it again. What do you think? Oh, by the way, we're still paying income tax. Ramblin' Randy.